Alright, so I am not wrapping Christmas presents today. This is a box, if you can tell. It is 12 and 12 and a quarter. 12 and a quarter by 8.5 inch deep. So I'm trying to come up with my charcoal forge interior design using this. So what I'm going to think about doing, I'm going to use this to make a template to cut it on metal. So for my angled sides here, that will make these roughly 9-inch sides angled in at about a 30-degree on the inside. Let's do the same on all the sides should be the same. I've been putting this off for a while, guys. I need to do something. I got a way to cut stuff, so I don't have an excuse anymore not to do something. So I've been a little bit irritated today. My daughter's really been latched on to me. I got to travel again next week to Connecticut again. Switching airlines this time though. I'm going to do Delta, not doing American. Alright. Couple more marks. About that. So that's going to be the interior of my forge. You see the lines here. I'm going to cut that. The depth of that forge is probably going to be around maybe 7 inches deep. I think that's going to work. That's probably going to work just fine. I think the neutral area will be about midway here, I guess. So all the oxygen should be burned up by the time it reaches this level here, I'm thinking. If not, I can still put a brick and pile up more coal. That's what I'm thinking anyway. I don't know for a fact since I've never had a coal forge. So this is all conjecture on this part. So I'm going to cut this out, make a template and tape it up, and I'll be back with you then. So. Go on, go on, go on. Yes, I'm going to cut this cardboard with the circular saw because I can. I have one. I'm trying to go fast. So, you know, I've got my blade barely out there, just to the thickness of this cardboard here. I'm not going to touch this blade. It gives me cringes whenever I see somebody else do it. So, let's get this cut. Good enough? This cardboard might actually be as hard to cut as some lumber. Get out of this back here. That's just weird. Okay, there's my sides. I kind of like using cardboard. It's kind of nice. Let's see if I can find some duct tape. Alright, let's see if they stick together. Tell you, this is going to be way too deep. I don't know what I was thinking. I might cut about a lot of this off. That's going to be way... What was I thinking? I really don't know what I was thinking. I need to reduce that by a lot. Okay. That's why we mock it up, right guys? So, wow. Wow. I need to reduce it all the way up to about right there. I lost my pen. Okay, so thank goodness I did a mock-up on this before going any further, because that seriously would have been more embarrassing than it turned out to be. I wasn't thinking. See this? This was going to be the interior of the forge, and I don't know how I did it, but I ended up making it. Let's see. So, alright, so it's 12 inches wide at the top, which is what I want. I only wanted about 8 inches deep, thereabouts. And I've got this thing really deep. I mean, that's insane. So, I mean, 8 inches is right here. That's all it's about. Right there. So my chamber needs to be this part. So I'm going to cut all of them like that deep. Let's just go ahead and round this off to 7.5, 7.5. I don't care if it's perfect. It don't have to be perfect. I mean, nothing I've ever made is perfect, ever. And you know, if it's off a little bit of filler rod with a welder, I can do that. Alright, let's stack all these up again. I'll saw the end off and start making the chamber again. Okay. So this is my chamber for the coal forge. It actually looks bigger to me than what I thought it should be, but according to what I've seen online, they're anywhere from 5 to 8 inches deep this way, and like 10 by something that way. This one has 12 inches here, has 12 inches there, and it's 7.5 inches deep. I don't know. I might actually make this a little bit longer. I may stretch this out to like 12 by 14. Maybe we'll go 14 inches this way. I'll add 2 more inches to the length of it, but I don't think it's going to make or break it. I'll post this up. Anyway, I think this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to lay this out. I'm going to lay this on the steel that I got back there and maybe try to cut this out tomorrow. Or try to cut it out. Maybe I'll post this video tonight. If you guys see this, let me know what you think. If you think this is a mistake, let me know. But right now, I'm shooting for 12 inches this way, 12 inches this way, 7.5 inches deep. You know, before it's all said and done, I may lengthen one side to make this 14 inches this way. But like I said, this thing looks a lot deeper than the pictures of other forges that I've seen out there. DF had one that I was looking at where he made a cardboard cutout just like this one. I'm going to look at his again. His looks smaller than this, and his forge works very well. So I don't know, guys. Give me your advice on it. I'm only, like I said, tonight. I'll post this tonight. If you see any glaring errors, let me know. It'll be about a week or 2 weeks before I have this thing finally all cut out and welded together, so I'll have enough time to maybe fix something at some point in time. The metal that I'm making the forge out of back there is, so I thought it was thicker than that. It's a 1/4 inch thick plate steel. So I don't think that's thick enough for coal coke. I think that's going to eat that metal up pretty quick. So think about doubling up the steel, make it 1/2 inch thick. Just welding it up. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Or I'll make it like this. I'll line it with fire clay. That would make that last a little bit longer as well, from what I've seen. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, put it down below. I got another video I'm going to make here in just a little bit as well. Thanks.